Are you catch this?
Are you catch it? And look come to Africa, but them turn a ball like so. Real African man. Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good.
Subscribe.
Yeah man guys, we're there again. Yeah, it is. We're there for our next cooking video again, you know? There on the river again. Okay, don't know. I like the videos them for the Riverside. Be a rain do. No rain and fall again. So rain don't fall it. River dirty and all that. You see me? But on the soon to that. They from away. I walk. Go down on the river. So guys, see the title and the thumbnail. And you don't know what I'm going to do. Breadfruit FUFU. And you don't know say FUFU original made from cassava. Right? And it's an African dish. I don't have any cassava right now. If cassava me see, it starts spring or it starts right now because I time now for it in spring now. Right? Yam, cassava, sweet potato, all them earth food they can't stay in the ground too long. Only thing can stay in the ground long, cocoa. That can stay years under the ground. You see me? Yeah man, guys. It was dirty. You see what I'm going? Water dirty. I don't tip my cross river though, you know. I stay on the side here and deep on the stone again. Catch up here, man. They go, can you catch up here?
What is how old you want?
If you want, cut a cutty. I'll use the smaller one, then think you want to do. So yes guys, let me show you now the ingredients the mommy I use. You can use the bag mash up. Yeah man guys, so see what I'm going now. We have my water, right? My plate. See my thyme and my scallion and my pepper. The Maggi season. We have special jerky in this. A tomato, the mackerel, my knife and my spoon, and see pot here guys. Yeah, and this I'm going to beat the breadfruit and this will be the pestle. So because we don't have a mortar, I'm just cut up the stick here and use it as a pestle to beat the breadfruit, right? Yeah man, that is it. And some breadfruit here. Use that and use this light. Anything you want to use light. Yeah man guys, so as soon as him don't catch fire, I check it back with you know. That is it. And guys, I now use all the breadfruit here. I use peas. So in the meantime guys, I go and peel breadfruit and all that in the meantime till him finish. Yeah, catch sir. Toe up man. Yeah man guys, so see what I go on here? I breadfruit never use. Let me see. Yeah, 70 minutes. Choose my fire to and roast it. I'm not sure how to do it. Yeah man. So I'm cut up this. Really cut up it guys, yeah? Alright guys, so that is it. That is it. So you don't know. Wash off the manure filter. Can't use no river water today, as you see. See? But dirty today. Yeah man. So guys, this now where they like Freddy for the fire. Let me say, I'm gonna roast this guys. And yeah. So what the fire non the fire. Them you know, the waste can throw in the river because they're biodegradable. My fish and them thing they eat them. So you know guys, finally catch a now. But in the wrong, catch a wrong. The stone in place wrong.
Look at that.
The stone in place wrong.
Are you catch this?
Alright.
Eh? Are you catch this?
Are you catch it?
Are you catch it? Me catch it.
Put the stone around so it's stone in place wrong.
This?
Yeah. Put the knife out there.
Towel.
You have to watch, you know, boy, see the guys, input this to this, but you have to watch it, it can burn and put it turn over.
Now
yeah, man.
Catch it, and me catch it.
So, see what going on, you know, guys? It's a roasty, you know. You know, a roasty. You want it? You know, a roasty?
Roasty.
See the guys? So, you put it later. Yeah, man. What are you looking for, sir? What are you looking for? Rice? No. When I arrived today, I cook called the FUFU, African dish. African food? Yeah. African like you? Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. Guys, put in jelly tree or coconut tree. This right here, our nice little investment. Yeah, man. Anybody who has land and can plant some jelly tree. Yeah, man, and plant some. If you have 50, when you get old, I want good pension because jelly always sell. Yeah. But to me, them plants are a bit too close though. But our nice investment that. Yeah, man, guys, pot start boil up now. Thank God. So you don't know, say, by the next 20 minutes time or so, this done cook and we can start beat it, you know? Yeah, man. But I'm gonna beat it today. I start beat it and make him finish beat it.
That's what I see then gone. That's how we did then gone.
They half cook guys, you know. They half cook. Father, hold your hand. We're in a Jew right now, guys. We're in a Jew. Not really hard though. It's a fine Jew. You can feel it. And you see? I'm gonna done cook it. So please, God, hold your hand. Even for 1 more hour. 1 more hour more hand. 1 more hour. You can pray the fine boy. You see me make it pattern over. Cut any pattern over. I'm just kick it out in the water.
What? Fat?
Yeah? Yo! Most cook guys want a bit more tender. Yeah?
Jaman!
You're good, man.
Sure.
Yeah, man, guys, we'll be soon done. It's the next 5 more minutes or so. Or 10. Yeah, give 10. Give 10. I have a beat to stay there. Yeah, man, guys, so beating time, you know?
Oh, yeah, beat down. They put it back in line.
No. Mackerel, I fire up the thread. So I do it, guys. Come and beat. How you beat it? Guys, man, you don't beat that in the pot and then we can skip it out in the dish. You see me? Because I don't, we can't beat in the dish because this is broke up. Yeah, man, so. What do you want me to do? You want to beat down or you want to go up?
No?
Stay down here or you want to go up? Which one?
No, stay down.
Alright, sir. But guys, I'm still going to pack up. Pack up and pack up, you see me? So, if anything can move without a pillar, grab and around, you see me? Hold on one place. You don't move. See the guys?
No.
Yeah, man, guys, so. Now it's no time. Now it's no time, guys, because the rain. Now wait for we. See the guys, put the pan fire and fry up the mackerel. So I say, no oil I use today again. Little bit of water. Just for kind of steam the scallion and the tomato and such a bit. So I have tomato in them now and throw in the pot. Yeah, man. So guys, take out mackerel. Yeah, man, guys, so see you now, guys. Yeah, man. As the African do it, down Africa, everybody deep and take what they want. Yeah, man, because I plate right about now, so boy, go wash your hand, and forward.
Have a bun me.
Eat the bun, you know what you have to pepper for. Guys, the boy there, crumble pepper. I see it? It's a bun him now, can put it on their face and about. Yeah, man, guys, so it's like FUFU. But can't like I'm saying in Africa. But they make it turn a bar like so. You can't do it so. So that's how we're gonna do it. Sweet African style good. Theme time now, guys.
Take a few, man.
They got me, guys. But you can try this, guys, because it's nice. It tastes exactly like boiled breadfruit.
No, no pepper, you know. Look at my muffins up.
Real African, man. Let's say if you like and subscribe. Say it.
Subscribe.
Yeah, man. So guys, I shell on my FUFU now. I can't do it like so, guys. I'm telling you this. I'm getting on a ball. I can't do it.
Getting on a ball. Of course, I hear that.
One thing though, guys. The pepper kind of hot, you know. And the boys get full of butter. Can't feel the rain of a dragon now, guys. So soon check him back, guys. Yeah man guys, the breadfruit here. You need to roast it, but rain a come guys. Rain a come. And you see? You better share it down and love it. And love it guys. So he can make it again for himself. Because he see him do it and things, so he must can it by himself. Yeah man guys, so see him there? I'll shoot back plate, you know? Yeah man.